Hello dear students, welcome to Solid State Physics. I am Dr. Pervaiz Ahmad and this is lecture number 5. In this lectures, we are going to have discussions on the unit cell, that what is a unit cell and how we can make a particular unit cell. So let's first define the concept of a unit cell. So what is a unit cell? So just like you can see it here in this 2D crystals, and here we have a unit cell example. So what does mean a unit cell? So a unit cell is the smallest component of the crystal. In other words, we can call that the building block of a crystal. So what are actually the building block of a crystal that make a unit cell first and then the whole crystal itself. So the smallest component of the crystal, which can be combinations of atoms, ions or molecules, which when we stack together with the pure translation repetitions, so it produces the whole crystal. So this is somehow a good concept of the unit cell. Let me explain it again. What is a unit cell? The unit cell is basically the smallest component of the crystal, which can be a group of atom, ions or molecules, which when stacked together with pure translations repetitions, so it produces the whole crystal. So let me also tell you that the choice of the unit cell is not unique. You can choose inside a 2D crystal, you can choose the unit cell you can choose the unit cell just like you can see it here, but if you remember, the choice of unit cell is not it's not unique. You can choose according to your own requirement, according to your own understanding. So a good example is that of sodium chloride and a 2D. So here you can see 2D unit cell example that of sodium chloride. So we define the lattice points. These are the points with identical environment, and here the choice of the origin is arbitrary. Lattice point need not be atoms, but unit cell size should always be the same. This is the concept you should remember. So this is also a unit cell. It doesn't matter if you start from the sodium atom or you start from the chlorine atom, or if you don't start from an atom. The choice is yours. You start. We took the example of sodium chloride. So the choice is yours whether you start. Whether you start from the chlorine atom or you start from the sodium atom, or even if you don't start from an atom. So this cell, that is a unit cell. You can see it here in this figure. But here this is not a unit cell, even though they are all the same. So why it's not a unit cell? Because here you can see the empty spaces. Inside a unit cell, empty spaces are not allowed. So here we have the empty spaces, though we have the repetitions, but in spite of that, we cannot call them as a unit cell because we have empty spaces. And the concept of unit cell, the empty spaces, they are not allowed. That's why we cannot call them as unit cell. So here is another example. You can see this is in 2D, this is a unit cell, but if you look at this lattice in 3D, but in 3D there is no a unit cell. Now if you have a bit of understanding of the unit cell, so you have to answer that why can't the blue triangle be a unit cell. That is just only for your understanding. You have concept. You have the concept of unit cell now. According to your own concept, you should answer yourself that why can't the blue triangle, the one that I'm pointing, it can't be a unit cell. So that you have to answer yourself. That you have to have a discussion with yourself. So this is the example of unit cell in 3D. You can further understand the concept of the unit cell in 3D. That is, first we have atoms. The atoms that we combine in molecule. The molecule they combine and they make a particular unit cell, and the collection of unit cells that they are being combined, they make a bigger crystals that you can see with the help of your naked eye. So the three common unit cells that you observe mostly is, we have sample cubic, body center cubic, and phase center cubic. I mean, these are the most common unit cell in three dimensions. So that's all we have for this lecture. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next lectures. We are going to discuss further about unit cell, primitive unit cell, and Wigner-Seitz unit cell. So stay tuned for the next lecture. Till then, bye bye.